Hi สวัสดีค่ะ I'm Gary Cooking Ambassador from Asia Scenic Thai Cooking School เชียงใหม่ Thailand Thai people we have the word banana I think in English you have the word piece of cake piece of cake just mean pretty easy but in Thailand we have banana just mean pretty easy like Thai cooking is banana just mean Thai cooking is pretty easy and today I share you the easy one banana in coconut milk is dessert is I think when I was young this dessert is was my favorite but still this time is still favorite because it's very simple but taste so good okay but banana in coconut milk you have to use like in between rub and the young but not too yellow but a little bit green this and then we will use this way come here we use about 8 okay we have to cut first cut the banana okay we use only 8 okay then we have to clean first wash it first to make some dust out okay clean first and we have to cut okay we cut in half and half again 4 pieces each okay like this why we have to cut it we have to put in the hot water boil we have to boil anyway okay we put it here on the chopping board better why because we have to take some starch and some rubber from the banana out unless it's starchy okay cut first we don't use to wrap banana because after boiled it is easy to get mushy that's why we use this one but you have to boil first someone steam but for me boil because we can add salt because salt is make more firm make banana more firm okay this one okay we cut here actually you can use any banana but Thai people use this banana because it's sweetest okay after cutting also boil with the skin and then salt okay salt and leave it about half an hour and then we will see half an hour what happened after half an hour turn off the gas and we put all the banana in the cold water why cold water to stop cooking unless it's too mushy okay and then peel okay and we separate we change this one don't use anymore and use the brass fork okay peel like this and we can try not mushy not starchy tastes like potato sweet good I don't know how to say but actually it's delicious okay then peel and put in the water put in the wok put in the wok like this you can try maybe you just steam the banana tastes good but this one boil half an hour actually use like this. A little bit green and yellow. Not too yellow, not too rough. Okay, then we peel all the banana and then sugar. Okay, add the sugar, add a little bit salt. If you cook something sweet, we have to use salt, balance the flavor. And coconut milk. This one is a coconut milk, but you can use the one from the tin. But if you use the tin one, you have to mix with water half and half. Okay, this one, the thick one. This. Half cream and half water. You will get the coconut milk. And turn on the gas. We don't do high heat. We do low heat and don't let it boil. Okay, and pandan leaf, or someone call pandan leaf, to add more aroma. All dessert, mostly 90% of Thai dessert, we put the pandan leaf. Okay, when we add the coconut milk, add pandan leaf, it get more aroma. Okay, add one more. Don't let it boil. Use the medium heat. If you let it boil, you will get some texture from the coconut milk. That's not so good. If you get some texture from the coconut milk, you have to take it out and stir. And you see, now it's getting bubble, but we don't let it to bubble. Just getting like this, and then turn off the gas. Okay, just turn off the gas, and then we do the topping or the dressing. Okay, this one is coconut cream. Now more cream and less water. We want to make it something like cream sauce, but it's not too much creamy, but it's cream sauce, just coconut milk and salt. Okay, salt. Because this one is sweet and we have to put something creamy and a little bit salt for a good combination, sweet and salty. Okay, just about 2 teaspoons and stir together. You have to stir, always stir, unless it boils, get too strong bubble. It's not good. We don't want to let it boil. Okay. Just see. After the sauce gone, taste. Just be salty, sweet, salty. Stir it. Okay. And then turn off the gas. Turn off the light. And serve it. Okay. So add banana. Okay. Just like this. Some banana. You see, we add a little bit liquid from this one, not above the banana, and then this one spoon, a little bit more, and top with the sesame. Where is the sesame? Here. Actually, this menu you can serve warm or you can serve cold. But I actually love the cold one, but now I try the warm one for you. It's good. And aroma from the sesame. Taste this. Oh, sorry. I don't know how to explain. Try, but actually it's good. It's good. Excellent. Banana in coconut milk. Thai dessert. Try.